feels right. Then it feels.
You're recording.
I know.
Stop pop zooming. Stop pop zooming.
What's up, guys? Welcome back here to
Hey!
the channel.
Yo, I got a new, I'm not lying, I got a new car.
A new vehicle?
I got a new vehicle. My dad's gonna be driving my Nissan, so I got that.
Will we celebrate this for the having the subs that's coming up soon?
Oh yeah. So I got a 2003. I got a 2003 Hummer H2 6.0 liter engine V8. But guess what we're doing to it today? I'm just doing this just to hear. My dad will get pissed off if I do it. Look under. Look how big the muffler is.
That's a muffler right there.
Alright, but listen.
That's around 3 feet big.
No, like 4. It's probably bigger than my body.
Turn it on and show them how it's set.
Stop.
So it's basically a fully stock. How many miles? The dashboard doesn't work.
Yeah, it does.
It does.
I can check the miles. Hey, watch out. We got sponsorships in here.
Sure.
No, like, we don't want to put names.
Oh
Like,
yeah, you know. Alright, bud.
yeah, that feels so good.
How
186,919 miles.
bad. That's a
V8,
stock.
baby. Yeah, but what I'm gonna do to it, cover the name, but we got Bose. We got Bose sound system
We
in
have
here.
super high quality sound system there.
Only 5 seconds. You gotta apply to the YouTube rule.
Have fun.
I just realized something.
What?
It might not be fully straight pipe.
Because there's 2 pipes that come in.
Yeah.
This one doesn't have an adapter thingy. One does.
See, look. Let me get the camera on the
Oh, your hands are oily.
Oh my gosh. Microphone problem. Oh my gosh.
Sorry for the wind.
Alright, so this is one pipe. That's the other pipe. Look at it. There's no adapter that comes into that side.
I don't care.
Which means it might not be fully muffler delete.
Okay,
You probably need to unhook it from over there, but you can.
I don't care.
Unless if it's hooked up on no. Alright, muffler delete is done. Oh! Wait, here. Oh.
No.
No, but here, so you can. So,
Hold up.
look up there.
Go.
Not that loud.
You wanna go on the real drive?
Huh?
Hold on, I'm gonna do you like go where the guy go for a fucking V8 and it pulls you back.
It's heavy.
Never said.
Woo.
Piece of cheap.
Why does it sound like paddle shifters? You heard that, right? That's how like you're using paddle shifters. That's oil, bro. It smells like oil, bro. It smells like. All right, Nissan GTR mode activated right here. Nissan GTR mode right there, bro.
I think my transmission transmission is about to fucking blow.
I know.
So I'm gonna chill because that's what happened last time.